So hi everybody, my name's Fraser. I'm the founder of Legal Utopia, a law tech company focused on making law more accessible. So we're the founders and launchers of the Legal Checker app. We launched in January 2020, essentially a mobile application that helps consumers and small businesses identify their legal problem and the solutions to resolving that problem. It's using machine learning to automate the process of diagnosis, similar to that in medtech, and the ability to then provide custom solutions to those problems anytime on demand across tens of thousands of different legal areas that people experience on a day-to-day basis. In delivering this and building this, we've worked with tier one law firms to create the content, as well as collaborate with the regulator, the ICO, on our compliance, the University of Westminster on our ML capability. We was also a resident of the Barclays Baltic Eagle Labs, and also we are current members to the Digital Accelerator at Google. So in terms of the market that we're operating in, it's a £20 billion consumer law market. You can see that the overall marketplace has steadily increased year on year, and this year almost 39 billion in terms of overall market value. However, we do see that 11.6 billion every year is lost by SMEs on litigation. This leads to the closure of 50,000 small businesses and a cost of 2.5 billion to our economy. And it's worth noting here that the average legal bill is £1,100, which is not normally accessible to most in the UK. And this leads us to identifying our barriers from some research that we've done over the last 15 months, funded by the EU, and that was understanding that consumers have a trust, language, convenience, and cost issue. And by overcoming these four barriers, we can unlock another segment of the consumer law market, because at the moment only half the market is served. So that means there's a potentially £40 billion consumer law market in which we want to take a 10% market share. How are we going to stave off our competition, and what's our unfair advantage? Well, our solution is patentable from independent legal advice in the EU and US. Our service costs nothing to run up to 50,000 users for the next 12 months, which means we can invest in our growth. We have a data moat around how we've been able to train our ML, and our solution, being tech enabled and focused, is actually scalable. And most importantly, we're already in market, we're already available, and we're already delivering the solution to SMEs. Who's delivering this? Well, myself, I've been in this law tech area for the last 6 years, but my colleagues have been in their respective areas for decades, building multi-million pound businesses in legal as well as international trade. That's us, that's Legal Utopia. Thanks for your time. Please feel free to download and send us your feedback. Thank you.